We begin with news that the country recorded its highest number of COVID-19 cases in a single day on Thursday, with 263 confirmed cases. Data from the Ministry of Health showed all parishes except St. Mary recording cases. As Kelisha Williams now reports, the new record has sent shockwaves across the island, with the opposition now questioning whether the COVID-19 protocols are effective.
The number of COVID-19 cases in the island in a single day has not surpassed 200 since September 2020. Since the start of the year, the highest number of confirmed cases in one day was recorded on January 27 with 194 cases. But fast forward to Friday, news that the island recorded 263 COVID-19 cases on Thursday, the highest daily increase since the start of the pandemic. 70 of the new confirmed cases are in the corporate area, 64 in St. Catherine, 46 in Manchester, 32 in Clarendon, 20 in St. Anne, and 12 in St. Elizabeth. All parishes except St. Mary recorded cases of the coronavirus. The country's COVID-19 case count is now 16,513. In a release this afternoon, the Health Ministry said the 263 cases came from a pool of 1,785 samples. The statement said the new daily positivity rate of 14.7% is a cause for concern and reflects that there may be a complacent attitude that is taking hold in the population with regards to COVID-19 protocols. The new data sent shock waves across the island, with the opposition leading a charge for the government to provide more answers.
We have been told by the authorities internationally that the British variant is more transmissible. Are we seeing in the country now, of the 263, whether these are British variants that are being transmitted, being contracted from one person to the other, or is it the original COVID strain?
The statement from the ministry explained that cases are arising more and more out of symptomatic people who are turning up at health facilities. It also said investigations show that symptomatic people are not taking precautions at home. However, according to opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Maurice Guy, it is not enough for the ministry to say that Jamaicans may be getting more complacent.
The question that arises, are curfews helping, or are we seeing the numbers that are coming up as a result of the parties that are being held, the beach parties, the dances and all the others, the key parties that are being held? Now, if we have data that those are what are being held and not necessarily curfew, then we need to have a change of the protocol.
That aside, there are also calls for the government to intensify its public education campaign on COVID-19 safety protocols.
Our people need to be reassured further. And part of the reassurance comes from a public relations effort that needs to be revitalized, reinvigorated, and redone and sent to the country. This year-long one that we have so far in terms of what needs to be done is needed to be revised.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.